Hey, this is a treatment that is near completion, and I just wanted to review it with you. It is a four bicuspid extraction case treated just with aligners. Now, I love non-extraction treatments, but most orthodontists will recognize in the starting positions on the left here that we have extreme crowding, but also some bimax protrusion. So non-extraction would only worsen that, and the patient wanted to have a flattened profile. So they didn't want braces. I said, we'll go as far as we could with Invisalign. And the reason why I thought this case would be okay to use Invisalign for a four bicuspid extraction case is because look at how mesially angled the canines were, particularly the lowers, the uppers as well, but not nearly as much as the lowers. Now, there is limits with Invisalign as to how much you can move the roots. It is true that it is a limit of aligners that it's hard to achieve a root torque because when you have a wire in with braces, the tooth will slide along the wire and maintain its angle because the wire is slotted inside these brackets. So the tooth can't really tip. But the key is this tooth actually needs distal crown tip. This tooth needs distal crown tip. Now, in the ClinCheck, I have it planned where you see fairly bodily movement, but I knew there would be some tipping, and I knew that I could sort of get by with it because tipping the crown would actually make it be into a better angle. And so you can see here this is my scan before the last refinement. I still have to improve that posterior occlusion a little bit, but look at the lower canine angulation before and after. And even here, if anything, there's still some mesial crown angulation to that. So that's why when you're looking to consider extractions, assume that the tooth is going to tend to tip into the space and then evaluate if you can tolerate that. If this tooth was angled in a more upright fashion and you wanted to take out a tooth, you'd have more chance that the tooth would tip too much in the other direction.